All right, so I am in Sandstorm platform demo area. I'm going to show you what it's like to install applications on here. So this is what I see exactly when I when I look inside. I'm going to click install from the app market, and it's going to shoot me to the Sandstorm market, which has several applications available. Let's say I want to start a new WordPress site. You see that it's already been downloaded on there. I can create a new site. And there you go. So that's it, as quick as you can do. And I'm on my home network. So we're talking about a 10-second installation. You can see that it already has a public site available on there. Has your full dashboard on here as well. Let's say that I want to install something else like Rocket Chat, which is an open source Slack-like tool. There we go. There's Rocket Chat. Create it. You see it adds it over here on a kind of menu bar. And there we go as well. And I can quickly switch in between the different applications that I'm using as well. And so any other demo is going to be basically the same, but basically be able to show you that fairly simply. I can move that. Let's say I wanted to do an open source kind of iTunes-like music library. I can now create that, create a new library. And there we go. So what's exciting about this for me is how streamlined that process was from basically getting on the application, being able to install multiple apps right on it, and then still kind of have an admin side to it, which makes it fairly easy for me to work around the different apps. It would be great if, say, for instance, every time these installed on a domain, each application became an immediate new subdomain, and I had the opportunity to name that subdomain on here as well. If you were looking at something more domain management, for something like this, if you were going to use Sandstorm, you'd have to write your CNAME and TXT files to point towards the server, which can be a little bit taxing for someone who hasn't ever done domain mapping before. But from a user experience standpoint of actually installing applications and being able to effectively manage them and run them, I'm incredibly compelled by what Sandstorm has to offer.